Hi friends, it's Amy. Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you some hacks for cleaning your bathroom that are sure to be game-changing. If you enjoyed today's video, be sure to hit that like button and also hit that subscribe. I'd love to have you in my YouTube family. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into today's video.
Okay, so first I'm going to start out by cleaning the shower head. If you're anything like me, you might not be doing this as often as we should. It's actually pretty simple to disinfect and clean. All you have to do is to create a solution out of hot water and white vinegar. Also have a Ziploc baggie and a couple rubber bands. The ratio I'm using is about a 1-to-1, so about a half a cup of each. And you might need more or less depending on the size of your shower head. Next, just pour this all into the Ziploc baggie, and then I'm going to be rubber banding it off, allowing it to sit in the mixture for a couple of hours. If you haven't been doing this routinely, it may be a good idea to even let this sit overnight. Once the time is up, use an old toothbrush to scrub away the dirt and grime. Then go ahead and turn your water on. Give it a few more swipes with that old toothbrush and continue to let the water run for a few seconds to clear any remaining loose debris off of the shower head. I'm definitely going to be making this more of a priority and move this simple hack up onto my to-do list. After all, this is where the water is coming from that is cleaning your whole body. After seeing what is removed from the shower head, I definitely won't feel as fresh and clean if I don't get to this. Okay, so here it is, all nice and clean. Doesn't it look almost brand new? Here's an ultimate trick to save time and stop frustration when getting that tub to shine. Before you begin your intense cleaning session, first use your vacuum to pick up all that hair and dust particles that can get in your way. Just make sure it's completely dry. We definitely don't want to destroy your vacuum. In the past, it was so frustrating and rather pointless to look back and see that I'm stringing along hair and dust bunnies while I'm scrubbing away. This simple step takes all that frustration away and makes cleaning this area a lot more bearable. Also, the area behind the toilet tank is often overlooked when cleaning and can easily be dusted with your vacuum using this simple trick. Add a paper towel roll or even combine 2 to 3 toilet paper rolls together. Then add this brilliant flexible tool to the end of your vacuum and run it along and behind your toilet tank to remove all the dust in this hard to reach area. The same method can be used around your window tracks and doors as well. So next we're going to move back to the shower and put some focus onto the shower curtain. Raise your hand if you're like me and are guilty of always tossing out your shower curtain once you see a bit of mildew or soap scum. Well, this next hack is super easy, much better for your wallet, and less trash is great for the environment as well. Don't ditch the old shower curtain, but instead just throw it into the washing machine on the gentle cycle, combined with a couple of towels, laundry detergent, and a half a cup of baking soda. When it comes time for the rinse cycle, add a half a cup of vinegar. Look up any professional cleaning hack and you'll find vinegar at the top of the list. These professionals are the first to admit that vinegar is their go-to product when it comes to natural cleaners. Not only is it an effective cleaner, but it prevents us from being exposed to the unneeded toxic chemicals and other harmful ingredients found in most bathroom products. It is always healthier to look for products that are more natural and just as effective, such as vinegar. So here's the shower curtain after I completed the process. I'm just going to rehang it and then I'll show you just how clear it looks, and it's like it's brand new once again. Now we're going to move on to getting rid of that nasty soap scum. Speaking of vinegar, we can also use apple cider vinegar to clean the tub and surround. Apple cider vinegar pretty much does the same thing as white vinegar, it just smells way better. So to disinfect and remove soap scum from your tub, use apple cider vinegar to scrub off all the icky buildup. So here I'm just showing you all the soap scum we have, as well as the hard water stains that we have. My solution to busting through all this grime is to add the cleaning power of Dawn dish detergent plus apple cider vinegar. So what I'm going to be doing is combining 2.5 cups of warm apple cider vinegar that I'm going to heat up in the microwave. Then I'm going to add 1/2 cup of Dawn into a spray bottle. And you're going to see me do this a little later, and I'm just going to put it into this container here. And so I'll have both the spray bottle and the container to work on all this grime. I love that this solution is a little thicker and it clings to the walls rather than just running straight down. This gives the solution extra time to work its magic. Okay, now it's time for the spray down process. Now, I have to admit, it is a strong scent. So make sure to crack your window or have your exhaust fan on. But after a while, the vinegar smell goes away and all you're left with is a fresh, clean scent. I'm going to go ahead and let the solution sit, so don't click off yet. We'll be back to it a little later in the video. My next cleaning hack sounds a little bizarre, but it actually works wonders. Ditch the toxic cleaning supplies for good and use mouthwash to clean your toilet. I'm not joking, it really does a great job. It's amazing how great it did, so clean and so fresh. Staying here at the toilet, when it comes to cleaning the bathroom, getting everything to sparkle and shine doesn't necessarily mean that it's germ-free. To accomplish this, you need to focus on the hard-to-reach areas that are the breeding grounds for bacteria and germs, and really hit that with a disinfectant known to kill these things. Make sure to read the labels and allow the product to sit for the time indicated for adequate disinfecting power. The next hack is to remove the toilet seat lid. The best way to give your toilet a proper clean is to unscrew the toilet lid first, or have a toilet seat that is removable like ours, to clean those hard-to-reach areas. I got ours off of Amazon, so I will link it in the description box and you can check them out. I prefer to use disinfectant wipes here. They are so convenient, I can quickly wipe everything down and dispose of them. So let's go ahead, get all this done, and we can move on to the next hack. This next hack will keep your nose happy. What you do is add a small amount of laundry detergent or laundry softener to your tank, and you will have a fresh smell every time you flush, and this will last for a few months depending on how many times you flush. This hack is for all you mamas out there with little boys who have bad aim. Well, this simple solution will help to destroy that urine smell that sometimes will be apparent around your toilet. All you need is some shaving cream and a scrub brush and a little bit of elbow grease, and all that urine smell will be gone in no time. Your nose will definitely thank you. Now let's talk about another often forgotten area in our bathrooms, and that is our exhaust fan. If you're like me, it's out of sight and out of mind. However, to keep the exhaust fan working properly, there needs to be a little routine maintenance. That means freeing the exhaust fan from the surrounding dust, allowing it to remove moisture and prevent the buildup of mold for years to come. This can be done easily by using your vacuum. And let me warn you, if you haven't been keeping up with this, there may be tons of dust. After you do this, you can remove the glass dome if you have that, and then just scour that down with the same solution that you sprayed down your shower tub. Once that's done, you can return back to the ceiling with an old toothbrush and really scrub the area to remove any of the remaining dust and debris. Next hack is a game changer for me, and that is to get streak-free glass and shiny countertops. All you need to use is a spray of isopropyl alcohol, and that is rubbing alcohol. All you need to do is just spray everything down very liberally, take a paper towel and wipe down, and you will have such a shiny mirror, streak-free, as well as countertops that are glistening, clean, and shiny. Plus, all your surfaces will be disinfected as well. Another plus for the solution is that it is not damaging to either granite or quartz countertops. So, all in all, I love this as a cleaning product. So here's a close-up shot of what rubbing alcohol can do for your countertops. Look at that shine. Okay, now it's time to move back to our tub and shower surround. After it sits, you may only need to spray and wipe down your shower. But if you have a lot of soap scum or hard water deposits like me, you may need to do a bit of scrubbing. I suggest getting an extendable tub and tile scrubber like the one that I'm using. This is a total game changer for me. Forget about the back-wrenching, extremely uncomfortable, down on your knees way to scrub your tub, because having this extendable tub scrubber is so much easier. I got mine off of Amazon, and I can link it down below if you're interested. I'm going to go ahead and give my shower a good scrub down and really focus on my oil rubbed bronze fixtures since they have a good amount of hard water deposits. I really want to see if I can get this to come off. Okay guys, here's how it all turned out. Doesn't it look fantastic? It smells so fresh and so clean, and most of those hard water deposits are all gone. This solution is amazing. You have to give it a try and let me know in the comments what you think. The last hack I have for you that may be something you often forget about is to sanitize your toothbrush holder. Just quickly place it into a dishwasher, and there you have it. It's sanitized and free of germs. But of course, make sure their dishwasher is safe first. So that's all for today's video. I hope I've given you some hacks that you're really excited to try. And if you have enjoyed today's video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing if you haven't already. Here on my channel, I'll bring you cleaning motivation, organization tips, DIY home projects, and decor and decorating. So I hope that you'll be back. Thanks so much for watching. Have a blessed week, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!